You can imagine that you were in pain for 5 years and then suddenly you don't feel the pain. That's a life changer, you know, that's a big change in your life, and we want to be part of it.
Our value, our purpose is to create, together with healthcare professionals, personalized medicine, to treat each one as an individual.
Not everybody can take what is widely available behind the pharmacy counter or over the counter. So they need something custom-made, tailored for them. And that's where we come in.
We have the expertise and the quality and safety mechanisms in-house to be able to develop these formulations that ensure that the integrity of that product meets their standards. If you look at our brand, you'll notice that there are 9 dots that represent our core values. At the center of those 9 dots is quality. We believe that quality intersects everything that we do.
You walk into the quality departments, you see MasterControl on all the screens, and you can see that also helps a global organization in order to grow, because they interact with all the facilities, right, throughout the continents where we work. At Fagron, the sun is always shining. We are in more than 60 countries, 35 locations, and 2,600 employees.
The GMPs are essentially governed by local governmental bodies. So for the United States, it's the FDA. For the EU, it's the European Commission. For South America, for instance, or Brazil, it's Anvisa.
In Europe, we have 17 countries and 17 different regulators.
And it's very good that a system like MasterControl helps us in order to streamline all the quality process.
You know, that you are entering our facility in Poland, here in Krakow, or you are entering our facility in Minneapolis. You are able to see the same standard process, you know, from the very beginning, from the supply chain of the raw material, going through the production, going through the quality, and then living up to the customers. So MasterControl is a perfect platform.
Tak samo jakość widzimy w magazynowaniu substancji leczniczych, jakość widzimy w transporcie substancji leczniczej i oczywiście jakość widzimy w kształceniu personelu. Bardzo inwestujemy w ten obszar w naszej firmie.
I would say MasterControl has changed my life. It has made our life so much easier.
Praca z dokumentami elektronicznymi pozwala na wyeliminowanie błędów w pracy z dokumentami papierowymi. Zwłaszcza jeżeli system jest zwalidowany i nie pozwala pójść krok dalej w procesie, jeżeli dokumenty nie są prawidłowo wypełnione.
It's checking for initials, it's checking for content, and then verifying and validating the operator. I just get excited and geek out about that kind of technology.
We can be nimble with our quality systems, and we can develop them and keep them up to snuff as we're growing so rapidly.
As the Fagron family continues to grow, we want to make sure that each company becomes compliant with our terms, our standards, our regulatory requirements. And so MasterControl is an important tool for us in the future.
Wdrożenie MasterControla jest pionierskie w naszej firmie. Również myślimy o przyszłych pokoleniach pracowników w naszej firmie, dlatego że digitalizacja narzędzi pracy pozwoli nam sięgnąć po pracowników młodych, ambitnych.
We are at the beginning of implement MasterControl, but I'm sure that MasterControl surprises us with its benefit many times.
One of the core things about Fagron is we do things together. That's in our company purpose, that together we create the future of personalized medicine.
Together with MasterControl, the future is great.